You've heard the ads, you've seen the great rates, and maybe you even opened one yourself. But have you ever wondered, why are people actually closing their bread savings accounts? It seems counterintuitive, right? Bread Savings, formerly known as Community Direct, generally offers some of the most competitive high-yield savings account rates out there. They're FDIC insured, easy to manage online, and boast strong reviews for their interest rates and minimal fees. So, what's the catch? Why would someone intentionally walk away from top-tier APY? The main reasons for users hitting the close button often boil down to three key areas that aren't immediately obvious in the marketing. First, let's talk about customer service and access. While Bread does a great job with their digital platform, when issues do arise, some users report a noticeably slower or less efficient resolution process compared to major brick-and-mortar banks. They are, after all, an online-only bank. For those who value the ability to walk into a branch or get immediate phone support for complex issues, this digital-first, hands-off approach can be a significant point of frustration, leading them to migrate their funds elsewhere. The second major point is transfer speed and limitations. This is a common pain point for online-only high-yield savings accounts. While the money is liquid, moving it between Bread and an external bank, especially for large sums, can sometimes take longer than desired, often 3 to 5 business days. More critically, some users are looking for an account that facilitates more than just savings. Bread Savings doesn't offer checking accounts, physical debit cards, or complex features like bill pay or investment integration. If a user decides they want to consolidate their finances into a single, comprehensive banking ecosystem, one bank for checking, savings, and maybe even a credit card, they have to close the Bread Savings account to achieve that simplicity with another institution. Finally, and perhaps the most practical reason, the rate chase. The high-yield savings market is fiercely competitive. While Bread might offer a fantastic rate today, there's no guarantee they will tomorrow. Savvy savers are constantly monitoring rates. If another highly reputable bank, particularly one they already use for checking, suddenly edges out Bread's rate, many users will simply transfer their balance to the new leader. It's a purely strategic move. An extra 0.1% APY on a large balance can translate to real money, and if the process of closing and opening a new account is relatively simple, many are willing to make the switch purely for a superior return. So, while Bread Savings remains a phenomenal place to earn high interest, the decision to close an account usually isn't about the rate being bad. It's about a personal preference for better customer access, faster transfers, a desire for banking consolidation, or simply chasing the very top APY in a dynamic market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.